On the 23rd of March 1857, Elisha Otis installed the world's first successful passenger elevator in a 5-story New York City department store. Welcome to HistoryPod. Elisha Otis was an American mechanic who invented the safety elevator, which featured a mechanism to prevent the platform from falling if the hoisting cable failed. To demonstrate the effectiveness of his invention, Otis staged a dramatic public demonstration at the 1854 New York World's Fair. Standing on an elevated platform, Otis cut the elevator's supporting rope with an axe, showcasing his safety brake mechanism in action as the elevator came to a sudden stop, preventing any injury to the inventor. Impressed by the demonstration, the halt company commissioned Otis to install his revolutionary elevator in their flagship building at 488 Broadway in New York City. As a prominent retailer of china and glassware, Halt knew that the new elevator would bring people to his store, who would then stay to buy merchandise. The elevator featured a steam-powered winding drum mechanism and a system of pulleys and counterweights to move the elevator cab smoothly between the 5 floors. Crucially, it also included his patented safety brake system, which consisted of a series of spring-loaded clamps that would engage with the elevator's guide rails to halt its descent in the event of a rope failure. The installation of Otis's passenger elevator marked a turning point in urban architecture as it spurred a rapid increase in the construction of tall buildings. With the ability to move people and goods swiftly between floors, buildings could now be constructed to greater heights, facilitating the development of dense urban centres and the birth of the modern skyscraper.